Welcome to LMS POS installation video tutorial. Once you have downloaded the installation file, please right-click on it and run as an administrator. Click on Install. It will take some time to install Microsoft .NET Framework and Crystal reports. If the .NET is already installed, simply click on Close in this screen. Now install the Crystal report. Please just follow the wizard. Now, Microsoft SQL Server installation starts. This step also installs the LMS POS application. Simply follow the wizard. You may get a message like this. Simply click on OK button. Leave everything default. Click on Close. You are done installing this LMS POS. Now, let's set up for the first time. Right-click on LMS POS icon and click on Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator. Now open the LMS POS application. It may take a minute or two for the first time. If you need free 2 months license, click on the link and we will send you the license. If you already have the license or want to test unregistered version, click on the button, I have the license, activate now. You can leave the pre-filled information. Enter database name as LMS SQL. Then enter your store information. Click on Setup button. Click on Finish. The default user ID is 01, and the password is also 01. If you have any questions, please call us at 617-500-4400. Thank you.